Friends, welcome back to ABS Tech channel. This is ABS and you're watching ABS Tech channel. So friends, in this video I will show you the two things. The one thing as price prediction of Ankr in the previous last 1 hour, 2 hour, and the second thing as is the best time to buy, sell or hold Ankr. So before starting this brand video, if you don't subscribe my channel, so first of all please click the subscribe button right now for my latest news and updates videos. Now let's see the price prediction of Ankr of previous last 1 hour. After that, according to the price prediction of Ankr, we decide that it's time to buy, sell or hold Ankr in a cryptocurrencies market. So friends, as you can see now on the screen, that is a live price prediction of previous last 1 hour, and as you can see here they are loading. So friends, if you don't subscribe my channel, so please subscribe my channel and stay connected with the ABS Tech channel. So friends, as you can see now on the screen, that is the graph tell us that they falls down in the previous last 1 hour, but if we see the currently situation, currently they are ready for a jumping, as you can see here. So friends, if we see the average change of Ankr in the previous last 1 hour, the average change is about positive 0.03% change occurs in Ankr in the previous last 1 hour, and the high price of Ankr is about $0.164708 is the high price of Ankr in the previous last 1 hour. Now let's see the price prediction of previous last 2 hour. What's the price change occur in the Ankr? As you can see here, that is the price prediction of Ankr in the previous last 2 hour. They take a jump, as you can see here at the start of the at the entry after 2 hours they take a jump, and after a jump now currently they fall down for a later time, take a jump, and now if we see the currently situation of Ankr, so currently they are also in the jumping mood. Friends, as you can see here, the changes of the Ankr in the previous last 2 hours is about positive 0.39% changes occur in the Ankr in the previous last 2 hours, and the high price of Ankr is about $0.164708 is the high price of Ankr in the previous last 2 hours. Now let's see, now it's time to decide it is the best time to buy, sell or hold. For this friends, we have to look the last previous last 1 week of price prediction, last 7-day price prediction. After that we decide that it's time to buy, sell or hold. Now let's see the price prediction of previous last 7-day, last 1 week. According to the price prediction of last 7 day, we decide that it's time to buy, sell or hold Ankr. As you can see now on the screen, that is a live price prediction. As you can see here, that is the average level of Ankr, that is the high level of Ankr and the previous last 1 week. As you can see here, they falls down very badly, falls down every day by day, falls down. So friends, if we see the currently situation, so they are also in the falling. It's absolutely big falls in the Ankr in the previous last 7 days. You can see here falls down. So friends, if we see the average change of the Ankr in the previous last 1 week, so the average change is negative 10.03% change occur in the Ankr in the previous last 7 day, and the high price of Ankr is about $0.186977 is the high price of Ankr in the previous last 7 day. So friends, that is my suggestion for all of Ankr holder, that sell your Ankr coin and be safe from loss. Sell it and be safe from loss. What's your opinion about Ankr? Please share in the comment box and stay connected with the ABS Tech channel. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel, because ABS Tech channel updates you every hour from every cryptocurrency news.